Ready with your books? Did you revise what we did last week? That means nobody did. Good.
I did.
Okay, what did we do last week? What did we do last week, children? Yes.
Color names and landmarks.
Okay, we did leçon zero, right? So you remember? Let's just revise all of it. You remember the names? You remember the pronunciation? Yes or no? Tell it clearly. No?
Some.
Yes? Okay. All of you please.
And some.
All right. Some words you remember. That's good. All of you please open your cameras first of all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vita. Good morning. Everybody just
Great, ma'am.
yes?
Ma'am, I'm taking the attendance. Kamini, ma'am has said.
Okay. What is the synonym of France? Who remembers? What is the synonym of France? By what other name is France known as?
I'm frozen.
What?
And lexicon.
Very nice. The correct answer is l'hexagone. French is known by the other name l'hexagone. The synonym of France is l'hexagone. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. What is the name given to the city Paris? What is the name?
The city of lights.
But in French, what is Paris known as? What is the city of lights called in French? Hmm?
La Village. Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell. Anyone can tell. All of you, first of all, open your cameras.
La Village.
La Vie, it's called La Vie. And what is the third word? Lumière. La Vie Lumière.
La Ville Lumière.
No, not Ville. This double L is silent. It's not Ville. It is La Vie Lumière. How do we pronounce it? It's pronounced as V. La Vie Lumière.
Ma'am, this is Paris means.
Yes, the name given to Paris. Paris is known as what? It is known as the city of lights. What is the city of lights called in French? It's called La Ville Lumière. Okay. Can you name a wine? Just any one wine.
Ma'am, Le Bourbonnais.
Very good. And it's not lay beta. What is it? It is le. This word, we don't pronounce it as lay. We pronounce it as le. Le Bourbonnais.
Ma'am, La Burrado.
Okay. Le, bor, le Bordeaux. Deaux is do. Le Bordeaux. Can it be seen? All right. Tell me one fashion designer of France. Yash Tikyani, Pratishtha, Shirin Beg, Malik Parsi, Asfa, Nishika.
Yes,
Who will
ma'am.
tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your cameras all of you.
Yves Saint Laurent. Ma'am, Yves Saint Laurent.
Very nice. Yves Saint Laurent.
Ma'am, please send. Ma'am, can you send the PDF?
In the PDF, okay. I'll send it better. Just wait.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not having the book.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, beta, I'm sending the PDF only. This is class 6B.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is class 6B? Disappeared from my WhatsApp. Okay. All right, check your class group. Found it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many of you have the workbook?
Ma'am, I have 2 minutes.
Only one? All right. Not many, not all, just one or two students. Is that so? Okay. I'll give you the questions. Don't worry. If you don't have the worksheet, I'll provide you the PDF.
Ma'am, I have workbook.
Okay, but beta, not everyone has it. Only a few of you have. Okay, then coming on to the next thing. What is le drapeau français? What is le drapeau français?
Ma'am, the tricolor.
Yes, what is it?
Ma'am, colors.
No. Le drapeau français. Anybody else wants to make any guess?
Ma'am, the flag of
Ma'am,
France.
French
Yes.
flag color.
The
French
French flag. Le drapeau français is known as the French flag.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. What is it called? It's called the French flag. Now, what are the colors of this French flag?
Bonjour.
blue.
Bonjour.
Huh?
Ma'am, green, red, and white.
Green,
Ma'am,
red, and white.
Bonjour.
Ma'am,
Blue,
blue.
white, red.
Ma'am, blue, white, and red. Ma'am, blue, white, and red.
Ma'am, bonjour.
Yes,
Bleu,
ma'am,
blanc,
blue,
rouge.
white,
And what is it called in French? I want to know the colors
Ma'am.
in French.
Ma'am, bonjour.
Bal, what is bal, Soham?
Ma'am, means blue.
No, it's not bal. What is the pronunciation? Who will tell? What is the pronunciation of B-L-E-U?
Ma'am, blank.
What is the pronunciation of B-L-E-U?
Ma'am, blue.
Blur. It's E-U is blur. E-U sound is a. So what it becomes? It becomes blur. Then what is the other color?
Ma'am, lawn.
Bond.
Blonde. The other color is blanc. Blanc stands for white. Yes.
Jew. Ma'am, Jew. Ma'am, next
Huh?
is Jew.
Red is?
Ma'am, Rouge.
Yes, it's rouge. What is it called? It's called rouge. Bleu, blanc, rouge. These are the three colors of the French flag.
Ma'am, blur, and what is the second one pronunciation?
It's called blanc.
Ma'am, third one?
Third is rouge. And in French language, this R is not pronounced as R. It's pronounced as cr. A little cough that we
Then
take out. Yes. A little
Like crow
cough.
we can say.
Yes. What you can say?
Ma'am, crow we are saying like
Crow. Crow. Yes. Somewhat like that. So what it is? It's rouge. Rouge. Clear? What are the colors of the French flag? Le drapeau français. Bleu, blanc,
blur,
rouge.
blanc, roux.
Very nice. And because it is having three colors, it is also known as tricolor. What is it called?
Tricorno.
Yes, tricolor. It is called tricolor.
Like,
Why is the flag of
Ma'am.
France called tricolor? Because it has three colors.
ma'am, because it has three colors like Indian flag has.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
What we pronounce three colors?
Tricolor. 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 Okay?
Ma'am, like blur, blanc, and roux, they are called three color.
Beta, Indian flag also. Indian flag also has orange, white, and green. Indian flag is also known as Tiranga.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is also tricolored flag. Similarly, any flag having three colors is known as a tricolored flag. It is known as tricolor.
Ma'am.
Okay. Then, next, what do we have? What
M
is?
means
Yes.
means color means color.
Color. Yes. Three colored, tricolored. In English, it means it's a tricolored flag. C-L-O-U-R-E-D. Tricolored. Okay? Done? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, what is the currency of France?
Euro.
Ma'am,
Yes,
euro.
Euro.
Very
Euro.
nice. It's
Euro. And
euro. What is it? The currency is euro. Now, come on to page number 12. Page number 12, or those who have the PDF, please have a look. You have to do this exercise in the copy. The first one I'll read out for you. La capitale de la France. Say means it is. The capital of France, comma, it is. What is it?
ma'am, Paris.
Very nice. It's Paris. La. Everybody start doing it in your copies. La capitale
Okay, ma'am.
de la France. Say. First option, what is it given? It's given Berlin. Berlin, Lyon, and the third is Paris. What is the correct answer? Correct answer, Paris.
Ma'am, Paris.
Yes. You have to do it like
What?
this only.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Burley?
Berlin is also a place of a name of a city, beta. It is also a place in France, a city of France.
Ma'am,
Then the second one, Le Louvre. Le Louvre. Now you have to remember what is Le Louvre. We studied. Is it a hotel, or it's a tour, or it's a tower, or it's a museum? What is it?
Ma'am, museum.
Very good.
Ma'am, museum.
A tour, a musée, an hotel.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now the book is available.
Beta, you'll have to call up and ask. I don't know at the bookstores what is the status.
ma'am, I have called. It is not available.
It's not available.
So ma'am, we can
Yes,
just
ma'am.
we can take the pictures and we can have a.
Ma'am, I also see the book is not.
It's not available. See,
And we can take the pictures and we can have a printout of the book.
Beta, but when I give you the PDF before every class, then what is the problem? You still face problem without the book? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
Actually,
Do this exercise and let me know. Everybody has to do it in the copy.
Ma'am, I have done.
All three questions.
sir.
Ma'am, two.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And what about others?
ma'am, done.
Okay, then coming on to the next. Fourth question. Le drapeau français also you all have done, written in the copy. How many of you are still doing?
Ma'am, I am doing La
Ma'am,
Drapo.
done.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm
Do
doing
the
the
last
third
one better. Don't look at the board, do it yourself. Try to do it yourself only. Okay, done. First, second, and third question till le drapeau
Ma'am, I have
français.
done. I have done.
All right. Now
all
coming
questions.
on to the fourth question.
And 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay. The fourth question says, répondez aux questions. What is it? Répondez aux questions. What does this mean? It means answer or reply. Répondez is to reply. Reply to the questions. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, name two monuments of France. What two monuments are you going to name?
Ma'am, can I tell?
And
Yes,
Eiffel
tell.
Tower.
Yes. And
And ma'am, the Louvre.
And
what
Lake
else?
Exeter. And Lake Exeter.
Lay. You can name any. There are so many monuments.
Lake Exeter.
Okay, let's start with La Tour Eiffel. But better you have to write the questions and answers both in the copy. La Tour Eiffel and let's say Les Châteaux. Les Châteaux. The two monuments are La Tour Eiffel, Les Châteaux.
And what we pronounce the second one monument?
Les, LES is Les and Château. CH. CH in French is sh. Sh se shalgam. SHE. It is pronounced as sh, not ch. Les Châteaux. Like Bordeaux. The wine. It also has D here, DEAUX. Similar, TEAUX. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next, why is Paris known as Ville Lumiere? Now you have to write the answer yourself. Paris is known as La Ville Lumiere, and both the reasons. Firstly, because it played an important role during the age of enlightenment, and secondly, it was first to introduce the gas street lights. All of you write it. And if you don't remember, please look into the book. Have a look at the PDF on page number 9.
Ma'am, the paragraph that is in 9 page number, ma'am, we have to write that full.
Beta, you have to write both the reasons. Now you can make points and write, or you can write it in the paragraph as it is given.
We have
Ma'am,
to
done.
start from Paris and write till light.
Yes, you can write it in points also. Paris is known as La Ville Lumiere because of its role during the Age of Enlightenment. And second, because it was first to introduce the gas street lights. I want you to write both the reasons, whether you write it in points or you write it in paragraphs.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, I have done.
What
Ma'am, I
about
have also done.
others?
Ma'am, last one is left.
All right. One more minute.
Just once.
Okay, moving on to the next question, children. The next question is, why is the flag of France called tricolor?
Ma'am, because it has 3 colors.
Very good. And then you can name the colors also. The colors are
Okay.
bleu, blanc, and rouge. All of you can answer this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratishtha, Aradhya, Shaurya, Divyansh, Ansh.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
response, huh? No response. Atulya. First of all, you people are sitting
Ma'am, I'm Pratishtha.
closed.
Ma'am, today actually my net is not working.
But at least reply better. When the teacher is asking anything, all of you should reply. When it's a general question for the whole class, why only 1 or 2 students keep replying?
Okay, ma'am.
I've written the answer.
Ma'am, I have also done.
All of you have done? All of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the fourth question. Why is France referred to as the hexagon? So what is the answer?
And
Ma'am,
because its shape is
Ma'am, because
like
of
hexagon.
his shape.
Because of its shape.
And because
Yes.
of its shape.
Yes, because of its shape. But which shape? France is referred to as the hexagon because of, yes,
And because it occupies a favorable
all right. Now children, what are you
Ma'am,
going to
because
write?
some type shape.
Because of its 6-dimensional shape. The answer is 6-dimensional. France is known as the hexagon because of its 6-dimensional shape. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I've written. I've written this answer.
Ma'am, I have also written the answer.
So are you writing the answers in short beta? Have you not written the whole sentence?
Ma'am, I am writing the whole sentence.
Yes, you're supposed to
Ma'am,
write the whole sentence. I am writing it in short because my whiteboard is so small.
And we have
You are-
to write
Ma'am,
the
I'm
questions
also
also.
writing the full
Yes, you have
sentence.
to write the question also, the complete answer, like how you do in a fair copy. Okay, the last question. What is the currency of France? So nothing
Ma'am, the
great.
currency of France is euro.
Ma'am, euro.
Yes, L apostrophe EURO. We will write this. The currency of France is l'euro.
Ma'am, done.
Done? All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So children, that's all for today. Since no time is also left, I hope everything is clear in this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, now revise it very